Thank you, Sarah. So we at Eva Medtec are the makers of NeuroGlide, which we're excited to introduce to you as a unique medical device that treats both pain and circulation. So a million people suffer from back pain, about 20% of all Americans at any one time, 80% during their lifetimes. And there's very few options that remove the inflammatory toxins that cause pain in the back. One option is manual lymphatic drainage, otherwise known as MLD, but it's very expensive and inconvenient. You can have to sometimes go up to 3 or 4 times a week to receive relief. So we at Eva Medtec manufacture the NeuroGlide, which is an at-home device that effectively removes the necessary toxins and cellular waste to relieve pain. So you can see that we actually manufacture on the upper right controller unit, a patented valve module. This is very important because it creates a high flow, low pressure valve, which is very difficult to do, as well as a patented pad that the patient lays on. So the patient lays on the device for either 15 or 30 minutes. And what happens is there's 16 chambers in there that remove the toxins from the lymphatic area and then moves that waste through the lymphoids and back into the arterial system and to be wasted out. We operate in a huge market, $88 billion addressable market, and we look at our addressable market size of $9 billion. We have multiple patents, and we've been already FDA cleared. That's very important as a Class 2 device for our NeuroGlide device for back and neck. We also have a prototype for our knee device that's already been on patients, a lower leg device, a lumbar device, and a craniosacral device, otherwise known as a scalp device. So we are the only device in the marketplace that we own the trunk. So we are the only device that works on the back and the spine with lymphatics. So we've already been FDA cleared. We have 2 utility patents that have been issued. We have 2 others that are in continuation that will also turn into utility patents. We're already in discussions with our distributors as well as several acquisition partners. So we have a team that's been there and done that. Irene was the founder of Tactile Medical, which went public with $1.3 billion IPO on NASDAQ. I brought a company to $40 million in revenue that was acquired. So we're looking to do $40 million in the next 5 years, mainly in workers' comp, the VA, and then eventually direct to consumer. At that point, we'll be producing about $15 million of profit or EBITDA. So the company's already raised $3.9 million, and we're now currently raising $3 million. I want to point out that this is growth capital, so it's mainly going to sales and marketing, as well as clinical studies, which I would argue is part of their sales and marketing strategy, as well as new product development. Thank you. I look forward to seeing you in the breakout group.